Aw, friggin' rights, guys. It's Alex here again. I did some work on an ATV, and the owner of the ATV repaid me, quite well with, something I needed, so let's check it out. Got a friggin' toolbox. This is something I've been needing for quite a while now. Here's some of my tools. Just some of them. Got a whole bunch of stuff in there. I got like a whole bunch of friggin' tools here too. Gotta sort them all out. And I got tools all around my bedroom here, so gonna oops, zoom. But anyways, here, let's check it out. It's too bad there's no racks up top here, or, you know, dividers. Alright guys, well I've found most of my tools. I cut out the little plastic thing here from the other toolbox thing. Got all my sockets here and stuff. Probably have some more stuff sitting around, but I just couldn't find it. So that's basically what I've got for right now, but I think that's pretty good. Hey guys, I'm running out of some stuff to record, but might as well show you what I bought lately. I picked up a desktop computer for about $145, I think. Yeah, it was about $145. But that's my YouTube channel, and I'd like to thank you guys for all the views lately. That is absolutely awesome. And I'd like to thank you, all my recent subscribers, for subscribing to me. That really helps out. But my computer, it's not all that great. Just give me a second. It only has 4 gigs of RAM, and half of it's just operating Google Chrome and the running systems. So if someone knows what I can get for my computer to give me more RAM, or maybe even a better processor or something, like, leave a link in the comments section. Oh hell, I forgot about this thing here. Real great kit to keep with me when I'm on my bike. I think I'll take that with me when I have to go back to downtown on it. But, yeah. Alright guys, well that's all for today. I did a quick photo shoot with my stereos here on the stairs down there. I'll include a couple photos in the end of the video. But, make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe.